scissors! Damn it! I can't open it! Oh! Alright. Okay. No room.
Pepperoni. Toasty pepperoni. Good Tuesday. I really miss the old Domino's. I know they said they improved it, but I really miss the old Domino's. Their pepperoni had a kick. It was a zing. There was a tang. It was not really hot. It didn't stick with you, but when you took a bite, you got a little bit hit of spice. And I think the closest I've come is Motor City pepperoni, but it's too thick. I read a review of the Armour that it was too spicy. Someone didn't like the Armour pepperoni because it was too spicy. I thought, let's try to make a pizza with just a little kick. Come on. I really can't believe they changed it. And I can't believe after 150 years, they abandoned ivory soap. I'm sorry. There are a lot of firsts today. A lot of firstesses today. I never used pre-made crust. That is very thin. That came out very thin. Oh, and it's got a nice color. It does have a nice color. Another first. I've never had the Armour pepperoni this hot. I've never done an East Coast blend. 50% whole milk mozzarella and 50% part skim. And I have to say, it really did get a nice little bit of color there. I like that. The instructions for the pizza crust said 7 to 10 minutes. I wanted to cook it a little longer. Try to get some of that color. So we cooked it for about 16 minutes. I did the timer for 17. I took it out around 16 just to get a little color. Just a little give. I think we gotta try it, man. Let's see if I get a little bit of that spice that I miss from Domino's. Let's do it. I don't know. I love the sauce, but it's too good. It's too good for the pie. I taste the sauce. I think I'm getting just a little bit of heat. I did put in just a touch of cayenne. Maybe I should have put more cayenne. I got to take another bite. That crust, I can't tell. I'm sure this is probably going to break my teeth. Let's take another bite. I'm not getting what I wanted. Boy, the pizza sauce is really good. But it's, maybe I am. Maybe I'm getting just a tiny bit of heat. You would take a bite of that old Domino's, and it would hit you immediately. I spent hours trying to find the ingredients for their secret sauce from the 80s, 70s, 80s, and 90s, and I couldn't find anything. You can find the ingredients today, but those aren't the ingredients. I am getting a little bit of back heat. I don't know if, I can't say it's hot, but there's a little residual spice coming through, which I like. It's the first time I've made pizza sauce using tomato paste. I usually use crushed tomatoes. It is giving me the keep biting it sensation. They keep changing stuff that you get used to. I am getting little back heat. I'm enjoying that. Not in any strong way, though, but I'm getting it. It doesn't hit you right away. Very happy about that. I've lost the whole topping. I miss Domino's. I miss Domino's pepperoni pizza. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday for I Miss Domino's pepperoni pizza. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Very tomatoey. Thanks for watching. Go.